Hi, welcome to Techno Expert World. In this video, we will show you that how to design different types of banner, and in this series, we will provide you 10 to 15 banner designing tutorial on the best case or different channel subject. We will pull up with the different information that how to remove the background, how to extract the element from the image. If you want to select the particular image or particular elemental image like a statue, like a building, like a bridge, any sea, any movement inside the GIF movement inside the banner, so you can create all of the things if you follow this series. Hope this series will be helpful for you, and this is the second video for this whole series, and whole month we will try to provide you several content or mechanisms to design a banner. So here you can see I'm using a crown in this banner, and now we will select a flag. Just go forward, and this is a flag we are using inside this banner. So most of the things you need to ask, you like to ask, like what is the working principle of the banner or thumbnail. So the banner is used to highlight the things you were doing inside your channel, and the thumbnail is highlighting the subject or the content, small information, what you were doing to do, what you were going to do inside the video or inside the content. So when you were a techie or you are making the video, tech video, educational video, you need to highlight the subject, or you need to highlight the things you were doing. Like if you are making the electronics video, electronics device review, you need to highlight the name of the device and what the particular things you are highlighting inside your video. So this the types of things is important to design the banner when you are going to design a banner or thumbnail. So here you can see the things I have just simplified the edges, simplify the soft edge for the crown, and the soft edge is used to match with the sky color. So when you are using the soft edge will help you to combine the things or element with the next door to next image, to match with the next image. So here the sky color, you can see the dark blue color, so dark blue and white color. So our crown color is yellow color, so that's why we need to use the soft edge, that the soft edge will match with the color sky color. And here you can see I'm selecting the image for a background less city image, which is Sydney. And here you can see how do I remove the background. This is a PowerPoint, and here inside the updated version like 2021 and 2024, you will get the feature of background removal. So here I'm using the background remove tools inside the PowerPoint inbuilt tools. This is really very important or really helpful for the creator, content creator, that before that we have to purchase the background remover application to remove the background for a particular image. So this time we have get the free tools inside the PowerPoint. So here you're gonna see like how to point out the mark, or how to mark the things or stages or sections you want to remove. Here the red button is mark areas to remove, and the green button is mark areas to keep. So here when you want to keep the section inside the image, so you need to select like this way, a single line, you need to move on with the single line, and this particular area will be covered to keep. And when you are going to remove, you just need to use the line that I have shown inside this video. So this types of things is happening inside this tutorial, and you have got this element, and which is free of cost. So now we're gonna select the name of the city, like the city or text we are using to create the fusion effect. Fusion effect means when you are creating an element inside the image, and this image is look like it's really exist on that place. So this is called the fusion or the subtraction or overlapping you can use. Normally we programmer use the overlap, and sometimes the content creator use the fusion. So here I will use the overlapping. So here the text is overlapping on the water font or water. Here you can see the water is going with the text and text is floating on the water, look like this way. So this fusion or the overlapping we are using to create more attractive thumbnail or banner. So I hope you have seen the process I am showing you here. First, go to the shape format, and here you can select the shape and text, font, style, and the 3D element you can use. So here you can see the color, yellow color is really matched with this image. And when we use the big font, a larger font, then it will glowing or it will attractive more than the previous. So I hope this video will be helpful for your next door to design a banner for your channel or create your own business. You can create these types of banner by your own. If you need any support, you can call me directly. I have shared my contact details inside the video description. So goodbye. And here one of the things you will follow: Sydney. The city name is Sydney, and a Sydney will be highlighted inside the image. So how do you highlight? These things you need to know. Sometimes we just put the text on the image, it's look like unreal. So when we want to highlight, we need to create something unique like this way. Just go forward with these things, and now you can see like the when we have select the 3D shape and we remove the location of the text and use the rotation. So here you can see the Sydney, the word Sydney is just merged with the water body. Now you can see the it's look like when we are focusing on the high altitude, you will see the Sydney word is just floating or it's overlapping with the water, and the city of dream is look like it's really exist with this place. So this is the things I want to show you. So thanks for watching this video. I hope this video will be helpful for your next door to design a banner for your channel. Goodbye for now. Hope this series will best for you. We will design more banner with the separate tools and combination we use. You can learn, you can proceed, you can go forward and learn more from next door step to cover the banner designing. Goodbye for now and have a nice day.